Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best smartwatch is probably one of the most versatile gadgets you can own, seamlessly blending style with cutting-edge technology to keep you connected, informed, and motivated throughout your day. Whether you're tracking your fitness goals, managing notifications on the go, or simply looking for a stylish accessory, a smartwatch offers unparalleled convenience and functionality right on your wrist. It's a powerful tool that adapts to your lifestyle, making it an indispensable part of modern living for anyone seeking efficiency and a touch of sophistication. Number 5. TCK Prosport Tube Socks. Introducing the TCK Prosport Tube Socks, designed for ultimate performance. Experience superior comfort and support during any game. These socks are engineered for athletes who demand the best. Whether you're on the baseball field or the football turf, they're built to last. Crafted with durable materials, these socks are made to withstand intense play. You can rely on them game after game. Stay dry and comfortable with advanced moisture-wicking technology. It pulls sweat away from your skin, keeping your feet cool and fresh. Enjoy a secure and comfortable fit with the over-the-calf design. They stay in place, providing extra coverage and support where you need it most. Ideal for baseball and softball players, these socks offer the perfect blend of style and function. Elevate your game with TCK Prosport. What we like. These socks are built to last and keep your feet dry during intense games. If you're looking for reliable performance and comfort that goes the distance, these are a great choice. They are ideal for athletes who demand durability and sweat management. What people say. Youper is a great app that helps you track your mood and thoughts. The app has a lot of features that can help you manage your mental health. Youper is a great tool for anyone looking to improve their mental well-being. Number 4. Sunew Multisport Athletic Socks. Introducing the Sunew Multisport Athletic Socks, designed for ultimate performance and comfort. Whether you're on the field or the court, these socks are built to keep up with your active lifestyle. From soccer and baseball to football and volleyball, these socks are versatile enough for all your favorite sports. They provide the support and cushioning you need to excel. Available in 4 sizes, they are perfect for both youth and adult athletes. Find the perfect fit for yourself or your team. Crafted with durable materials, these socks are made to last through countless games and practices. Experience superior comfort with every wear. Available in convenient 2 or 3 pack options, you can stock up and be ready for any athletic endeavor. Get yours today and elevate your game. What we like. Get great value with these versatile socks available in multi-packs and various sizes. If you need athletic socks for a team or family with different needs, these offer a practical solution. They are perfect for anyone seeking a cost-effective and adaptable option for multiple sports. What people say. These socks are super bright. Perfect for neon day at school. They stayed in place all day. Pretty thick too. Well, obviously these socks are brightly colored yellow socks. The photographer captured the exact color yellow that I needed, so it worked out really well. As far as fit, they fit wonderfully. They're not too tight, even my legs swell, and they're not too loose. We're just gonna slow down after a year of wearing them. High quality socks. Very thick and very long. Number 3. Youper Boys Youth Padded Sliding Shorts. Introducing Youper Boys Youth Padded Sliding Shorts. Designed for young athletes, these shorts offer superior comfort and protection. Featuring integrated padding, they provide essential cushioning during intense play. The soft athletic cup ensures added security and support. Perfect for baseball, football, and lacrosse, these sliding shorts allow for unrestricted movement. Focus on your performance, not on discomfort. Crafted with high-quality materials, they are built to withstand the demands of competitive sports. Enjoy lasting comfort and reliable protection. Equip yourself with the best gear for your sport. These sliding shorts are a must-have for any young athlete looking to elevate their game. What we like. These youth shorts offer essential protection with a built-in cup and padding for slides. If you are outfitting a young athlete for sports like baseball or football, these provide peace of mind. They are ideal for parents looking for comprehensive safety gear for their children. What people say. Fits nicely and very comfortable. Even if you don't need or use the cup, the material and product of this underpants is great. These shorts have been perfect for my son. We bought these because he started baseball this year and we wanted to make sure we kept him safe from injury. So far they have held up really well in the wash and have kept him comfortable and cool under his baseball pants. They look really nice and the shorts have padding that protects his legs as well. So far we are very impressed with the performance and quality of these shorts and we would definitely purchase again. Number 2. Youper Adult Elite Compression Padded Sliding Shorts. Experience unparalleled protection during intense action and contact sports. These shorts are designed to keep you safe and comfortable, no matter the challenge. Our advanced sponge sliding pads offer superior abrasion protection for your thighs and glutes. Slide with confidence, knowing you're shielded from impact. Crafted from moisture-wicking, 4-way stretch fabric, these shorts move with your body while keeping sweat at bay. Enjoy a comfortable, irritation-free fit during any activity. Made with premium materials, these shorts feature excellent moisture management to keep you cool and dry. Focus on your game, not on discomfort. The elastic waistband ensures a snug fit, while quilted side panels provide extra protection and a lightweight feel. Enhance your confidence and comfort on the field. These padded slider shorts are ideal for baseball, football, lacrosse, MMA, and more. They provide the perfect blend of protection and performance for any contact sport. What we like. Experience superior comfort and protection with these adult compression shorts featuring a cup pocket and advanced fabric. If you're an adult athlete who engages in high-contact sports and prioritizes both performance and safety, these are an excellent option. They are designed for those who want to enhance their game with reliable support and dryness. What people say. The padding was well stitched on and will not rip despite how impactful the sport may be. The compression fabric is breathable and allows for full mobility, even during intense play. The padding definitely helps give a little cushion during practice and games, both football and baseball. Number 1. Youper Youth Elite Padded Sliding Shorts. Introducing the Youper Youth Elite Padded Sliding Shorts. Designed for young athletes, these shorts offer superior protection and comfort during intense play. Featuring an advanced padding system, they effectively absorb impact, allowing for confident sliding. You can focus on your game without worry. These shorts come with an integrated soft athletic cup for added support and protection. It's designed to be comfortable and secure throughout the game. Crafted from durable and breathable fabric, they ensure maximum airflow and comfort. Stay cool and dry, even during the most demanding situations. Ideal for baseball and softball players, these sliding shorts enhance performance. They provide the freedom of movement you need to excel on the field. Upgrade your gear with the Youper Youth Elite. Experience the difference that quality protection and comfort can make to your performance. What we like. These Youth Elite shorts come with a soft athletic cup and padding for enhanced safety during play. If you're looking for top-tier protective gear for young players in baseball or similar sports, these are a fantastic choice. They are best suited for young athletes who need advanced cushioning and support. What people say. The padding offers excellent protection during slides, and the soft athletic cup fits comfortably without restricting movement. The shorts are lightweight and breathable, which keeps him cool during intense games. The quality is impressive, with durable stitching that stands up to rough play. The material is great. It's true to size. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.